Welcome to Cooking Ben. This isn't your typical cooking channel. Meet our master chef with 55 years of experience, ready to spill all the techniques you need for every dish. Get ready to spice up your kitchen experience with a cooking adventure like never before.
我哋今日咧做一個係咕嚕肉。
Today, we're preparing a dish of sweet and sour pork. In the past, chefs often used ham parts due to their balanced fat content, providing a crunchy and juicy texture. However, considering the emphasis on health nowadays, we've chosen bacon parts. Also, it is easily obtainable from Costco.
咁我哋咧就先係將啲五花肉係切開咗一嚿嚿先啦。
Let's cut the bacon into 1-inch pieces. Half a pound of pork is perfect for a family of 4.
好，切咗之後咧，我哋係落啲調味料啦。雞粉一個茶匙，
For the seasoning, add 1 spoon of
Yeah.
chicken bouillon powder, half a spoon of salt,
係半個茶匙。糖咧，我哋可以落多少少。
2 spoonfuls of sugar, which enhances crispiness,
2個茶匙。點解會可以落多少少糖咧？因為糖咧係炸咗出嚟咧，佢係比較係有啲焦脆感嘅。咁但係咧，亦都係話太過多就唔好啦，好容易會燶啦。放一個湯羹嘅花雕酒啦。
and 1 spoonful of wine. To ensure even absorption, it's best to use your hands for mixing.
鷹粟粉、生粉都冇乜所謂啊。
Now, adding cornstarch. You can use potato starch for more stickiness, but cornstarch results in a drier texture.
你睇到係乾身咗嘅。
Later, we will add egg white to enhance tenderness.
切好晒之後咧，我哋亦都將佢攞嚟切割。
Moving on to vegetables, start by cooking the onions before the green, yellow, and red peppers. Ensure you rinse the peppers before cutting them into pieces. Otherwise, they will absorb a significant amount of water. During frying with oil, the oil will spread everywhere. As for the sauce, mix 1 cup of vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of ketchup, and 3 spoons of sugar.
砂糖啊，落多啲唔怕嘅，3個湯羹砂糖。 好，咁我哋咧
Adding egg white and 2 more spoons of cornstarch will further improve the pork's texture.
太過猛先，我哋等佢炸熟咗佢先，炸熟咗佢之後咧，一啱再翻一翻油。
Now, fry the mixture once and let it cool for a few minutes before the second fry. Begin by frying the onions.
將嗰啲洋葱、青紅椒，我哋係再炸一炸佢，
Followed by the peppers for about 30 seconds.
好快脆得㗎，唔需要炸好耐㗎。如果唔係咧，佢就會出晒水㗎啦。埋翻個芡。
Prepare the sauce with potato starch and water, adjusting the thickness to your liking. This is what the sauce supposedly looks like.
睇到個芡咧，嗰個稀結啊，咁就好夠㗎啦。
Once achieved, reintroduce the pork to the sauce.
跟住就倒埋啲咕嚕肉落去。 少少油，可以熄火噶啦。好，嗱，煲咗啲咕嚕肉，我哋跟住嗰啲將嗰個青紅椒啊、菠蘿啊、葱棗啊放埋落去。
And add some oil for a shiny appearance. Finally, incorporate the vegetables, pineapple, and spring onions. Thank you for tuning into Cooking Ben. We'll be sharing new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give our video a thumbs up.